At Best Skincare Clinic Leeds, we offer professional consultations for dermal filler treatments in a safe and clinical environment. All consultations and treatments are carried out by qualified healthcare professionals following a full medical assessment, suitability check, and informed consent process. Dermal filler treatment may help restore volume, enhance facial contours, and soften the appearance of certain lines and folds. Treatment is tailored to the individual and results can vary from person to person. A full consultation is always required before treatment to discuss your goals, medical history, possible side effects, and expected outcomes. As with any injectable treatment, there can be risks and side effects including redness, swelling, bruising, tenderness, or temporary discomfort at the treatment site. This treatment may not be suitable for everyone and is only available to adults aged 18 and over. For more information or to book a consultation, contact Best Skincare Clinic Leeds today. Simple care you can trust.